Hey guys, it's Flip, and today I'm going to give you a riding lawnmower maintenance quick tip to help you prevent rust and rot on your mowing deck. So preventing rot and rust on a mowing deck is just one of those ongoing battles that never seems to end. And I don't know if you ever win it completely. It's just one of those things you try to slow it down as much as you can. And I've got a video about cleaning under a mowing deck and repainting it. If you want to check that out, I'll put it in the corner of the screen right now. But one of the key things you can do is just scraping underneath your deck from time to time to get that grass off of there. Grass blades have moisture in them, so anytime you leave grass under the deck or on it, it's going to lead to some form of rusting. The other big key thing is just to blow it off with a leaf blower every time you get done cutting grass. Now, if you just hit the deck with your blower, it's going to do a decent job, but what it's not going to clean is the grass and leaves that get stuck up under these deck belt guards. Some people call them pulley guards or pulley covers, whatever you want to call them. A lot of stuff gets stuck up under there. Grass and leaves gets clogged up under there. So it's always a good idea to clean these out a couple times a season, and definitely it's a good idea to do it before you put your mower away for the year, because any leaves or grass that stay in there are going to lead to rust and rot. Now, this is my mower at work. Some higher end zero turns like this will actually have removable belt covers that you can just pop off like that real quick when you're done mowing for the day and blow off the deck and get all the grass and debris off of there. Then you can just pop it right back on. But residential mowers like my Cub Cadet I'm showing in this video take a little bit longer. It's just 3 bolts you have to take off, but it's definitely worth doing from time to time to save your deck. So this is just 3 bolts to take this guard off, and it looks like a 5/16 or an 8mm socket will work. So right here I'm just using a regular old socket wrench. And the impact is a lot faster, but that'll only fit where it needs to go for one of the bolts, so it's back to the old socket wrench. This is a great job for a cordless ratchet if you have one of those, and there you go. You can see all the grass and leaves stuck under the belt cover. All this is going to lead to rusting, so you want to clear this out as often as you can. And as you can see, a little bit of rust right here, and that's what that's from, just moisture getting caught up under that guard. So here I'm removing the 3 bolts on the other side. Unfortunately, on this side, a drill would not fit at all. So it was the old socket wrench for all 3 bolts. Again, this is a great job for a cordless ratchet if you have one, but once I remove that cover, you can see plenty of grass and leaves under that side as well. One other thing is I wouldn't put the first cover back on until you have blown off both sides. That way you're not blowing grass and leaves up under the side you just cleaned. So here I'm just putting them back on, wiping that little bit of rust off, and then putting the other side back on. And that's it. This little quick job will definitely save you some headache and money down the road. So hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, please hit the thumbs up button for me and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.